Alright guys, so I'm going down to Brendan's house right now. Oh, that's loud. With the boys, and we're gonna go out to car meet.
Are you called?
Yo, I'm coming right now. I'm almost to Bryce's.
Okay, cool. We're here.
Alright guys, we just arrived at Bryce's house. We're going to a meet. We got Kyle in his WRX wagon. Bryce finally got the car out of the garage. Hey.
That shit was honestly the
How'd you get it off?
I've ever seen.
How'd you get it? Oh, that's crazy. Alright, we about to go. Nice. We straight cruising right now. Got the Subies and the Jetta and the Beam. Yeah, we cruising. Guys, we're pulling up to the meet right now. After a short period of losing Kyle and Brendan, we finally met up at Chaplin. So yeah, probably can't see me, but yeah, we're going in the garage right now. I'm about to roll the window down, you know, maybe set some alarms off. Last time I was here, I was in my piece of shit Integra. Things have changed. Oh shit. Brendan's front bumper on now. Kind of crazy.
Why'd you take it off?
Because the snow hits my lips. Snowplow. Holy shit, this car's dirty. Oh.
Your lights on?
What? Yeah.
Are they automatic?
No. Dude, you should see my angel eyes. Come look at this. Oh yeah.
Your what?
Angel eyes, dude.
I've seen them on the way here.
Not stock. That's the only thing that's not stock.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought those were stock on BMW.
Well, the color, I changed it to like a better. It used to be like normal. Dude, this is pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Dude, there's no E30. Is that what the fuck is that old thing? Oh, that's nice.
That's my friend's car. That's Samir's car.
E30, that's an E92.
Yeah, 335i.
It is?
Yeah.
Dude, that's so sick. Dude, what is this thing? Oh, dude, wait. That's a nice E36. Jesus. Dude, this car that's idling is so loud. Oh, that's sick. Oh, it's a fucking Toyota, dude. Nice. Revving the 7 Series.
So you might get ran over.
Oh, dude, is that a 135i?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not gonna lie, I was just looking at that guy's Instagram today.
Good.
The 135i guy. I don't know his name, dude.
As a unit.
Is unit 135i. Dude, this pink Mustang is so ugly. Sorry, calling you out, Mustang.
20 likes on it. So I thought it was a repost with the actual.
Oh, dude, this is such a nice wagon.
If it was just 20 likes on it, I'm like, yeah, I was like, oh.
Dude, is this manual? No, is that auto? It's auto. That's auto.
What are you gonna do?
Gotta have a manual, man.
Drive like a boss.
I drive like a mom, kinda.
Driving like you park at Pussy.
I drift mom.
Drift mom. You're getting some pretty good angle.
Dude, I
the
could
way
get
down.
way more angle coming up the hill. I want to go back there and
As
record
soon as I
some.
saw your headlights like point at the walls and Jake's going into the ditch this time.
No, we stopped around the like big ass corner. I thought you hit it. I was like, why are we stopping?
Fuck
Like
no.
that on the S, he just like flicked it so hard. I was like, oh, he's going into the ditch.
Rally. Oh, it's right hand drive.
Evo 5. Oh, that's so sick. That's sick.
Evo, bro. I heard someone say
Under
more
construction. Nice, dude.
skids. I heard someone say more skids. I don't know if they're
Yeah, I heard that too. They're not. No,
That'd be
they're
fucking sick.
dude. They're actually not that far away. I wanted to go to their meeting, their meetup, dude.
I had something. I forget. I was gonna go, but it was kind of fucking far too.
Oh, automatic Mustang V6.
Watch out!
Record Mustang guy about to crash into someone's car. I'm on standby for an accident, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm about to get a HKS down 5.
I'm about to get a new car.
Nice. You wanna buy my Miata?
For what? $500?
Fuck you, guy. I engine swapped it. It's
Oh,
moved now.
does it work now?
Yeah, it's like so well. It pulls hella strong. Dude, I wish. $2 grand, guy.
I have no money. Ooh, dude. Oh my god. Hi, VTEC Doge. Dude, that's so sick. I want those Style 32 wheels, man. Damn, dude, this is a nice car. Dude, look at these wheels.
Honestly, that thing would be sick if it was manual and like slam.
I know. VIP, dude. This would be the cruiser car. We'd cruise around. Fuck. God, dude. Oh, Honda. I'm so glad I don't have an Integra anymore, dude.
No thank you.
Dude, oh yeah, here's Bryce's car lowered. Dude, how does this car handle now? How does this car handle, Brendan? Have you been in it? Yeah. Oh shit, what happened here, boy? Oh, dude, E36. Oh, 328 IS, that's what I need. That's E46.